Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to import products from CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. Let's get started. So as of right now, here are my products. So I've already connected my CJ Dropshipping account to my Shopify. Now we just need to head over to cjdropshipping.com and then you can just choose the actual product that you want to add. So for example, in here, let's search in here for bag. And then once you have searched for this, you should be able to see a lot of search results that you can add to your store. So for example, you can add this one. So you can click on this first icon, which is the list icon right here. Once you have done that, this will open this new window right here that will direct you to the actual product that you have. Now, this will continue loading until it will show you the listing progress. So in here, you can do the manual listing. So what we can do is we can just change the actual store that we want for this. So since I already connected it to my store, which is this one, I can just head over and then add this right here. Now you can add in here the product type that you want. So for example, let's add in here bag. Once you have done that, you can add in here on a specific collection and also add in here tags, and you can also change the vendor that you want. So in here, you can also charge tax right here. Now let's head over to variance and pricing. And in here, as you can see, they have this right here. What I can recommend you to do is you can click on this recommended listing price and it will automatically show you this one. So you can also add in here a price change if you want. For example, you can make this $120 and you can also make this around $29. Totally depends on you. Once you have done that, you can also choose a shipping from, like for example, a China warehouse, and it will ship the order to the United States wherein your actual Shopify is located. So what we can do is we can click on this List It Now button, and as you can see, this will load like this, and listing has been in progress. We can also check the progress on the unlisting status, wherein the listed products will be added to the listed. So this will load like this. Let's just wait for this. So as you can see, it has been listed successfully. So we can now head over again to our Shopify and let's try to refresh our products in here. So as you can see, it has been refreshed. So on some cases, it will take some seconds or even minutes for the product to actually appear on your product page on your Shopify. But in some cases, as you can see, it's already been here. And now we have this product that we have. And if, for example, you want to add some more products, then you can just choose the products that you want to add just through the method that I have taught you. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.